welcome to the Halloween edition of the Social Studies vlog. For this special edition, we're going to go super quickly through our curriculum to let you know what's going on. Each of the classes spent some time researching Lizzie Borden and her trial and all of the evidence that pointed as to whether or not she murdered her parents. We did this as a way to get our feet wet with using primary sources and secondary sources and research methods and getting all of the sources to tell us a story. This is because we are ramping up our NHD efforts now. This year, the NHD Showcase is in January. And so today, students all had to turn in a paragraph telling me who they were planning to focus on for NHD and why. I will be touching base with each of them and they will begin researching. NHD is a gigantic project and I expect students to do really well. We will be going to nationals this year. 6th grade, your big project starts Monday. You need all of your supplies here. Parents, this is a giant undertaking that I have never done before. I need your help. Please sign up. 7th grade, problem solution interviews are on Wednesday. I expect you to be well versed in your problem. I will be trying to knock students off of their game because the harder I am on them now, the easier it will be later on in the project. I have not assigned homework in the middle of the week for a couple of weeks, and on my board in class it has said, please continue researching. And so I expect them to have done so and be prepared. They picked their topics a long time ago. They should have been researching all along. Thanks for watching, and don't forget about those boulders. Ah!